In this video and next video, we will look at examples of DFAs for infinite languages, if DFAs are possible. Okay, L1 is equal to W such that W starts with A. Okay, W starts with A. Let's say alphabet is A and B. W starts with A. L2 is equal to W such that W starts with AB. L3 equals to W such that W starts and ends with same symbol. And let's say L4 is W such that W starts and ends with different symbol. Starts and ends with different symbol. Let's say L5 is W such that W contains ABA as a substring. ABA as a substring. So these are the 5 languages for which we will be constructing DFAs. Okay, and it's very clear that all these languages are infinite languages. There are infinite strings that are part of this language. So for example, L1 is what? W starts with A. So A is a part of language, AA is a part of language, AB is a part of language. Then AAA, AAB, ABA, ABB, so on, so on, so on. Any string that starts with A belongs to L1. Similarly, what about L2? It starts with AB, and then you can have ABA, ABB, AB, AA, AB, 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 BA, AB, BB, so on, so on, so on. So what you're looking at, it has to start with AB. It has to start with AB. Then you will accept the string. Whatever comes afterwards, it does not matter to you. Similarly, in L1, if it starts with A, then you have to accept all those strings in the DFA. Whatever comes afterwards in the string does not matter, right? Here it says W starts and ends with same symbol. Means that L3 is A or B. It starts with A and ends with B. It starts with A and ends with B. A, A, B, B. AB does not belong to L3, right? Similarly, A can belong to L3. A can also belong to L3, and so on, so on. You will find infinite strings that belongs to L3. About L4, it starts and ends with different symbols. So for sure, a single length string is not possible. So it has to be AB or BA or AAB or BAA or BBBA, and so on, so on. It has to start with and ends with different symbols. So A and B, B and A, B and A. Okay. M for L1. Okay. So this is your Q0. At Q0, you will see the first symbol and it has to be A. Good. Now from A you go to Q1. From A you go to Q1. Now when you reach Q1, it means what? It means you have seen A as the first symbol. So whatever comes afterwards, all of that has to be accepted. So this is your DFA for L1. As you can see, there is a self loop on the final state which will generate many more strings that will be accepted. So any state sequence would be like what? Either you will start with A and anything can come afterwards, or you may get B as the first symbol. You may get A as the first symbol, or you may get B as the first symbol, and then whatever comes, it is already decided when you see the first symbol whether the remaining string or whatever the string is to be accepted or not to be accepted. If the first symbol is A, you have to accept this. If the first symbol is B, you don't have to accept it. You will not accept it. So if initially you are at Q0, you are at Q0. When you see A, you go to Q1, and whatever you see, you stay at Q1. Right? You accept it. Similarly, when you see B as the first symbol, then for sure this string is not to be accepted. So you go to a dead state. If you see B, you go to a dead state and you stay at the dead state forever. So this is the language for L1. Similarly, what is the DFA for L2? What is the DFA for L2? So Q0, when you see A, it should go to Q1, but you don't have, okay, and when it says B, you go to Q2. So from Q0, when you see AB, you reach to Q2. Now whatever you see, once you see AB has to be accepted, and whatever comes afterward has to be accepted. So Q2 is the final state. Okay. If the string starts with B, then it goes to a dead state. Similarly, when you are at Q1, what are the set of strings that we have seen so far is A. Now after A, if B comes, then you are going to Q2 and accepting that string, and if A comes, there is no way you are going to accept whatever the remaining string is. You are not going to accept it. So Q1 on A, you go to the dead state, right? That's how you draw a DFA. Okay, very good. So this is the DFA for L2.